Right guys, 24-hour courier came all the way from Bournemouth. 24, what does 4 mean? 4 wheelies for the E32, the classic from the 80s. Guys, we've got some new wheelies coming on. Obviously from factory this came on the style 5 wheels, 15-16 inch. But yeah, we got some really good wheelies. Look at them, genuine Brock B1s, guys, with the polished faces, polished lips, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, look at that, look at the faces on them, beautiful that. So the back ones are 10J with a really low offset, I think ET13, and the front ones are 8.5J with low offset as well, I think ET13s. Let's just have a look. Powder coated in nice grey. So on the front we've got the Hankook tires, 2 Hankooks on the front. Just give you the specs of this. So there you are, Brock, made in Germany. Yeah, so we've got 8.5 J on the front, ET18 for the fronts, and woo! Beautiful, look at that. You can eat off it like a plate. Yeah, so the back ones we've got Toyos, Proxys, T1R. Let's have a look at them. The back ones are 10J. Pretty massive. Look at the stretch as well on them, on those tires. Nice little stretch. Chunky bears. Yeah, so the back ones, as you can see here, 10J and ET20, sorry. And we've got, yeah, Brock Car Fashion, Germany. Beautiful. Look at these guys, fully powder coated, repolished, front and back. Car Fashion. Oh, I've got these little babies here as well, so they don't get robbed, hopefully. Yeah, amazing. So the E32 classic is gonna look. The tires as well, 245/35 17s, and the front tires, what have we got? 215s, 215/40 17. Really nice treads on them as well. Pretty brand new tires, to be honest with you. Look at that. Ooh, that's loads in there. Ooh, so nice. Right, I better go get my food now from the house, because it's gonna be overcooked. So this bad boy is gonna be on these babies. It's gonna look sick. Cheers guys, cheers for watching. See you later.